back to my channel. It's Annette, and thank you for coming back to see me. We're back. We're doing easy, affordable makeup, and this is only using drugstore product, foundation, lip glosses, powders. Really is just for beginners, so if you are looking for that type of video, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so jumping straight into the video. My face is already washed. I have a fresh face, and we're gonna go straight with primer. So for primer today, I'm using the Power Grip e.l.f. primer. This is gonna be my first time using this. Some of these products I already used, and then some of them it'll be my first time. So as my primer is drying down a little bit, I'm going to do my eyebrows. This is usually like the order of how I like to do my makeup. When I add my primer, I like to just jump straight into brows as that kind of like settles into my skin. Alright, so my eyebrows are done. I'm going to use a little bit of my e.l.f. brow gel, and this is called the Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. I've been using this literally for years. It's so good. And I just don't feel like I need anything else. Like, this does the job. Okay, so for foundation, I'll be going in with the Maybelline Fit Me. And this is in the Dewy and Smooth finish. I'm just going to go in with like a kabuki brush and kind of dab this into my hand a little bit before I put it on my face. Alright, so foundation is done. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Revlon Colorstay Skin Awaken concealer. Okay, so I'm just going to blend this all out with a beauty blender. So my under eyes are already bright, but am I gonna regret that? No, I'm not. It's fine. I'm gonna go in. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more. So after I set my under eye, I'm just gonna go in with my airsponge powder. Okay, so after I set my under eye with the airsponge powder, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. And this is just like a foundation powder. And this is going to basically like bring everything together. So because I feel like this is a beginner's like makeup tutorial, I don't go in with like a cream bronzer and then powder bronzer, cream blush, and then powder blush, because I don't feel like that's beginner friendly. I just don't. So I like to set my face with a full powder and then go in with bronzer. And then the bronzer that I'm going to use is the True Match L'Oreal Super Blend Powder. Okay, so my bronzer is on, and for blush, I'm going to be using the NYX Buttermelt blush, and I can get this open. Why is this? Just go in nicely. Okay, so I have my blush on, and we're pretty much done. I'm gonna, at this point you would put lashes on. I already have my lashes done, thank God. I'm gonna go ahead and do, should I put my setting spray on first? No, I'm gonna do my lips. So I'm gonna do my lips first, and I'm gonna use my favorite lip liner. I'm officially calling this my favorite lip liner. It's the Maybelline Lip Liner, and this is in Cross the Line. I'm trying to tell y'all. It's just a bomb ass lip liner. Like, you could just go outside like this. Like, I'm not going to, but you could literally go outside like this. Okay, so my liner is done, and then I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. and this is called Glow Lip Oil. This is in the color Honey Talks. This, another gem. Just watch. Like, watch how good this is about to be. This combination, like, it's just too good. It's literally just too good. Okay guys, so we're all done. I'm just gonna add some setting spray, and this is the NYX Bear With Me setting spray. Alright guys, so this is the look. I hope that you guys like it. I love it, like, love it. Like, it's so good. And it just shows you guys that you really don't need to spend like all this money to just have a solid makeup look. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. I'll have everything linked down below. Please subscribe, comment, like, and I'll see you guys on the next one.